Hi guys, wishing a happy new year to all of you. Today we are doing an SEO audit for Spatial.chat by impressive underscore page underscore 2389. This is the website. Make events and webinars truly engaging with AI. So they're into virtual events and webinars and online education, whatnot. So this is the entire website. And just like our last audit with Neato, not with Neato, with the lead app. Currently, we are setting up a system wherein I have already done the audit. I will just give you an overview in terms of how does the entire thing work. So here we go. This is the current homepage, which is this one. Okay. This is what our href says that the DR is 71 with UR is 29, backlinks 3.6K, referring domains 1.1K, keywords 1.1K, and they have been hit by I think Google search, Google recent update, and they have a traffic of 363. So yeah, this is the current website structure based from their sitemap, which looks like this: homepage, search, legal. Legal has multiple versions, and then comes contact sales, demo. Demo has multiple versions like German, English, Portuguese, Japanese. Let me just in fact open this up for you. So if I search for Japanese, for example, this is how it looks like. Oh, to anyone who's watching from Spatial Chat, you have to replace this link. So yes, this is these are all the URLs in the demo: Japanese and Portuguese, English, German, and then they have platform, use cases, integrations, webinar solutions, event solutions, then pricing, archive, legacy pricing, then all the blocks and remote work deal. This is a separate page. Let me just also add this one right here. Perfect. And this is the recommended structure by me. Homepage, platform, which has two sections: features and use cases. Features will have webinar solutions, event solutions, remote work solutions, education solutions, and integrations. Use cases will have virtual fairs, educational events, networking events, workshops, virtual office, online class. Then comes the pricing part, along with it, a thank you post purchase page. This page should be no index by a robots.txt. We'll talk about it later. Then comes the demos part, join demo, localized demo, which will have everything: Japanese, German, English. Then comes the thank you part. Then come resources, which has multiple sections: blog, ebooks and guides, FAQs, case studies, video tutorials. In fact, we can add one more section here: ebooks, checklist, or something like that, wherein we can add some free tools. Then we have legal, terms of service, privacy policy, cookie policy, and vulnerability disclosure. Then support, contact sales, chat support, knowledge base, about remote work deal. Now, the thing is, I have not spoken with them with a spatial chat team. This is something which they have requested from Reddit. So I'm not sure about what are they trying to make out of this structure. So there could be a chance that a lot of pages I must have missed out. For example, if I just go to their website right now, I saw that they have this a subdomain on how.spatial.chat, which is more of like an how to guide, I believe. So I'm not actually focused here. I only focus there. So there's a high chance that I must have missed out a lot of pages which are not mentioned here, or which I just couldn't categorize or group in. Then comes the heading structure. So as of now, the website, this part, in fact, this part is all H1. You can see this right here: H1, H1, H1. Ideally, there could only be one single H1 in a page. Then comes H6 instead of H2, H3, right? So here's a better example. This one is H1. You can see it right here. Then these are H6. Instead, what should happen here is this should be H2, because it's not the first line. This will be H1. Apart from it, every heading will be H2. Every primary heading will be H2. This is H2. This should be H3. So this is the heading structure for flaw, which should actually be fixed in all the pages. Then third comes robots.txt. Now this files actually tells search engine in terms of how to index your site. Now they don't have a robots.txt file, which is very, very, very essential. So I just wrote one for them, and they can just plug it in and it works. Now, okay, to give you some gist of it, I have allowed all the important sections, which is allow all, allow platform, pricing, blog, contact sales, everything. Disallow legal, archive. Thank you, because I don't want post purchase pages to be indexed on Google, right? I don't want legal pages to be indexed on Google. So I've just removed all of them. I'm not sure if you guys need this or not. If you do, then you can just put remove this from disallow, and based on whether they're being indexed or not, you can put them on allow. Then comes, I don't want any URL with UTM categories or anything as such to be indexed as a dwell page. I don't want the duplicacy error. So I have just added this. Any URL with this will be disallowed. And same with this. And then we have the sitemap here, which works fine. We just saw the sitemap, right? Right here. It is a list of all the pages that are available on the website, including the blog posts. Then we have content relevance. So content relevance is most of the keywords that are coming most of the times on your page. So this is for the home page. Spatial chat, virtual events, these are the keywords categorized as one keyword, two keyword, or I would say one word, two word, and three words. And you can see it right here. Virtual office, online classes, knowledge base, tasks with chart, book alive, links, knowledge base. So you can see a lot of these keywords resonate with what Spatial Chat does. For example, virtual events, virtual office, online classes, live demo. The moment you go to three keywords, book alive, edit text documents, links, knowledge base. Now this is something we have to fix. So what I did is, it missed the high intent specific keywords. It also missed some long tail keywords. I just made some edits in it. So now you can see the three keywords are immersive virtual events, interactive virtual office, team collaborative software. Now they have hybrid events, online classrooms, and whatnot. So you can go through it, and that's it. Then comes the deducing keywords part. Now, I was a bit confused in terms of understanding what kind of keywords are going to target. Is basically Spatial Chat going to target? Let me just cut this off right now. So what I did is, I just took some random keywords, for example, to make you understand about how do you guys use it. So you can use some keywords from the content relevance part, and you can use them in first fold, second fold, and third fold. Then come other errors, which is typically from SEMrush site audit. So about 57 internal links are broken, 10 pages have duplicate meta description, 4-page written 4xs code. 4xs is basically maybe search engines can't see it or access it, or maybe the URL has been changed, or maybe the page just does not exist anymore. So what to do with it? Errors are right here, and similarly warnings are right here. Then we have the content strategy, which has a title and what keywords should you use in this title. And then comes the last part, schema. Currently, the website has no schema apart from the fact that this section right there has a article schema. Yes, right here. But if I go back to the main homepage, there's no schema right there. So you have to add all of these schemas. These are important, especially this one for you. This, consider this schema is specially made for you, because it lets search engines understand whether the event is totally online or hybrid or what. So you can play a lot around with all of these schemas, and I think this is it. Feel free to ask me as many questions you want in the comments or in the chat, and all the best.